What you're looking at right here, my friends, is a total wiring disaster. I want to call it something else. It's probably also a fire hazard. So anyway, this is an example of someone that thought they knew how to install a car alarm system. There's part of the alarm there. And anyway, yeah, if I had initially installed this, it would not look like this. And I would also probably have some clue as to how to reverse the process. But all I've got is what you see. And I think I've got a copy of the original installation instructions for this alarm. So I'm going to study them a bit and try to trace some of these wires and see if I can't deinstall this disaster, clean it up, and hopefully get the wiring harness back in some kind of shape that it might have been in originally. I'll try to give you some follow-up videos as I make some progress. All right, so I've already gotten a few wires disconnected here, and this is what I'm finding. I'm finding the installer basically stripped the insulation back, and the connections that he was making, he just took the wire and wrapped it around where he stripped the insulation and put tape on it. And that's the reason why this alarm system was constantly malfunctioning. It always had problems because these connections were very poor. I'm going to bring you in a little bit closer here so you can see, but this is one of the original connections. That yellow crimp and the blue crimp are wires that I've already fixed. So, you know, I'm just taking my finger here and peeling the copper back. And basically that's all it was. He stripped the insulation off the blue wire and just wrapped the copper from the yellow around it and put some tape on it. You can't make an installation like this, folks. This is very poor. It has to be something with a good connection. It needs to be either soldered or crimped, or use a wire tap, but you cannot just wrap the wire around. More stuff that I've disconnected. I'm getting a floorboard full of wires here. Starting to make more progress. Starting to get the original wiring harness for the vehicle looking pretty good here. This was where more connections were made. I've got to fix all that, and I did. And that's the pile of stuff that, you know, basically I took out. So this is the harness after I finished. And that's basically it, guys. Looking good. Thanks for watching.